From the floor of Exponential 2022, Teledyne FLIR Hadron trademark 640R, more power, more resolution in a small form factor. At Exponential 2022 show in Orlando, Drone Life had the opportunity to speak with Kelly Broadbeck, product manager for commercial UAS, about the new Teledyne FLIR Hadron 640R, a dual-sensor payload for integration into drones, ground vehicles, and robotic platforms. The Hadron trademark 640R is a major upgrade from the original Hadron, still a major innovation for the industry. The original Hadron had a 320 by 240 pixel non-radiometric thermal camera paired with a 12 MP visible camera, and was designed to pair with the NVIDIA Jetson TX2 microprocessor, Broadbeck explains. This industry moves so fast that today, this is old news. For drone manufacturers, the Hadron 640R is an accelerator to getting a highly sophisticated sensor integrated with their platforms. The Hadron 640R is an integration module, says Broadbeck. On the hardware side, we're speeding everyone's process up by providing all the pieces you need, the sensor and the lens, aligned, on the circuit boards, so people can utilize this within a matter of months. Teledyne FLIR has developed the Hadron 640R for new processors powerful enough to handle the data, NVIDIA Jetson Nano, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, and, in process, the Qualcomm Snapdragon RB5. We're seeing a huge improvement in performance. We now see people using very different processors, and we want to help speed up their integration, he says. We're developing drivers and reference software to help designers, because everyone wants this up in the air as fast as possible. The demand for the new unit is huge, but that, says Ezra Miller, Senior Director of Marketing, is no problem. We're excited for the demand. One of our strengths is in our control of the supply chain, so we're able to deliver. The Hadron 640R adds radiometry to the offering, critical for many industrial applications. On the thermal side, having the radiometry gives so much more information, especially for inspections, Broadbeck explains. When you are flying over solar farms, you might see a lot of glowing cells, but you need more information to see if there is really a problem. Our isotherm features allow you to pick out those truly problematic cells to create a work order. The better and more powerful camera gives better and more powerful data. People just want more resolution, and in a small form factor, says Broadbeck. If you start out with a lot of resolution, you still have a lot of pixels on target when you zoom in. For many applications, that high resolution is a game changer. In public safety applications, drones are often about looking for people and being able to figure out who they are based on what they're holding and what they're doing, Broadbeck comments. More resolution simply means better decisions, better situational awareness. The consequences of getting it wrong are high. More resolution helps you get it right. To learn more about this and commercial drones, please check out dronelife.com.